Good afternoon, Zwitzel. Please tell me about yourself.
Good day, ma'am. My name is Switzel Tumoltot, 24 years old, single. I live with my family and I have two kids. Their ages are 6 years old and 1 year old. I am a college undergrad taking a Bachelor of Hotel and Restaurant Management. I have 6 brothers and 4 sisters. I am the fourth child in the family. I work as domestic helper here in Philippines in 2 years in a couple of 2 children, and I do all household chores like cleaning, washing, cooking, and taking care of the children.
If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My family, ma'am.
Do you have someone who will take care of your family if you work abroad?
Yes, ma'am, my mother and my sisters.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep 10 p.m. in the evening and I usually wake up in 6 a.m. in the morning.
Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, ma'am.
In 1 week, how many times do you go to market?
Twice a week, ma'am.
How do you describe yourself as a mother?
As a mother, I am a responsible, hardworking mom. My children are my priority in life. I'll make sure that I can feed them and give an best educational.
Are you a hands-on mom to your children?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you an easygoing mom or a disciplinarian one?
I am a disciplinarian mom.
In Hong Kong, kids are super active and sometimes they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be very patient and I always remind myself that it is still part of my job.
In your previous work, how did you manage the children? And what are you going to do if the children are too playful so you can work smoothly?
I manage my working time so that I have time to play and take care of the children. And if my employer allowed them to watch an educational show, I will let them to watch and explain them that I still work to do, ma'am.
How would you describe your previous employer? Did they give you set of rules they like and don't like you to do, or it is up to your style?
My employer, ma'am, are very strict, but they are all good to me. At first, they gave me rules and instructions.
Is there another helper in your previous employer?
No, ma'am.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am.
Please sing it.
Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. 1 for my master and 1 for the Dave. 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane.
Are your teeth natural or false teeth?
Yes, ma'am.
That's all, Switzel. Thank you.
Thank you and have a good day, ma'am.